Once upon a time, in an old city of Arabia, there lived two children, Laila and Qais. They studied in the same school, played together, laughed together, and sometimes cried together too. As the days passed, a deep bond formed between them. When Qais looked at Laila, the world would fall silent. And for Laila, Qais was like a dream, pure and eternal. Time went on. Their childhood friendship quietly blossomed into love. Qais could no longer hide his feelings. He spoke openly about his love for Laila. Soon, the entire town was whispering about his madness. People started calling him Majnu, a man made insane by love. But Majnu wore this name with pride, for hidden within it was the name of Laila. But the path of love is never easy. Laila's father refused the proposal. He believed that love ruins honor, but Majnu believed honor only exists when hearts unite. Majnu left his home and wandered through barren lands. He walked away from the city, but he could never walk away from Laila. She too cried in silence. Her parents forced her into marriage with another man. When Majnu heard the news, his heart shattered, but he did not give up. Every day he would return to places that reminded him of her. An old shrine, a silent pond, a tree where they once carved their names. To others, he looked like a madman. But to him, every memory was sacred. The final chapter of their story came one day in the heart of the desert. Majnu was found collapsed on the hot sand, weak, starving, but with Laila's name still glowing in his eyes. And that day, Laila came to. She saw him and softly said just one word, "Qais." The sound of her voice brought peace to his soul. He reached for her hand, and they were never separated again. People say their souls became one, an eternal flame of love that neither time nor the world could extinguish. Even today, when someone loves truly, people say, "You look just like Laila and Majnu." Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.